If you want to learn how to add an arrow in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can add an arrow to your project in just a few clicks. This is super useful when you want to point out something on screen, highlight an important detail, or make your video easier to follow. And before we jump in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut PC project and make sure you're on the main editing screen. Once you're inside your project, look at the top menu and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of visual elements you can add to your video, including shapes and arrows. After that, move to the sidebar and click on Shapes. This will open up the shape options available in CapCut PC. Now take your mouse and hover over the arrow option. When you see the arrow you want, click the plus icon to add it to your timeline. As soon as you do that, the arrow will appear in your project, and from there you can position, resize, and adjust it to fit your video perfectly. You can use the arrow to direct attention, explain steps more clearly, or make your tutorial look much more professional. If you want, you can also move the arrow along the timeline to control when it appears and disappears in your video. That way, it shows up exactly when you need it, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've learned how to add an arrow in CapCut PC using the Stickers and Shapes menu. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.